Hello, sneaker fam and sneaker sharks. My voice might be a little, it might sound a little funny because I kind of got a cold. I got a summer cold, but anyway, let's get to the main event. Today I got some VANS, some authentic, Lite, Reissue, Parrots, checkerboard, VANS sneakers, size 11. Look at the box. Has the USA and European sizing on the back. Hands off the wall box. Just a basic red and cardboard brown. Now these shoes are really nice. They're made out of the canvas material. Got the little VANS tissue paper with VANS all over it. They are super light. I'm definitely gonna take them on my vacation. It's gonna be a while, so I'm not gonna wear them for a while until I go, which probably won't be till next year, but anyway. Like a little cardboard shoe tree with the VANS on it. I guess it got that Ultra Cush Light insole. Yeah, it's kind of glued on, so I can't get it out. You got that checkerboard sole, but it's white. I wish it would have been brown, but I guess it'll be cool when you're vacationing. Other VANS are pretty comfortable, I can say. A little bit comfortable than Converse. The newer, Converse too is a little bit better, like as far as support and everything. But VANS are pretty nice shoes. Pretty durable too. No skateboarding though. Too old for that. I like the little print. Kind of gave you that island carrot on there. Just give you that all-around view. Thanks for watching. Thanks my fans. I just thought it was due for a voice review. Also, I like the little VANS and some of the checker box. I thought that was a kind of little detail, kind of nice.